Introducing Click Connector's one-click self-service portals that allows you to create your knowledge base website at the speed of light. Let's dive in and discover how effortless it is to create your knowledge base website.
You can manage your knowledge base articles and configure your website in the workspace settings. Click Connector's one-click knowledge base creation uses your brand color and logo to automatically publish a knowledge base website. Once you have created one, click on Configure to start customizing your knowledge base website. There are various options for you to configure, including the appearance, navigation bars, footers, and SEO metadata. You can optionally include live chat in your knowledge base, or add additional custom scripts, such as Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixels, and other tracking tools. Once you make the changes, your website is updated instantly. In addition, you even can use your own custom domain for this website. In Click Connector, articles are organized under collections. A collection is essentially a group of articles. You can simply consider these as categories. To start off, you might want to identify the collections that you need to have in your knowledge base portal and add them. Click on Add Collection to add your first collection. Make sure to add a description to give better context to your customer. Once you are ready with your collections, it's time to start writing articles. We've built an amazing article writing experience for you with all the tools you need to write a knowledge base article. Just click on that article and start writing your articles.
There it is. You just saw how easy it is to create and maintain your knowledge base portals. Oh, one more thing. You can even embed the knowledge base in your live chat widget too. Check out the live chat configurations to enable this option. Now go ahead and start writing your knowledge base.